In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, where the thick canopy blocks out most sunlight, an intrepid team of archaeologists embarked on a daring expedition to uncover the mysteries of a lost civilization. Led by Dr. Sofia Reyes, a renowned archaeologist known for her groundbreaking discoveries, the team set out equipped with high-tech gear and a sense of excitement tinged with trepidation. The journey began with a turbulent flight in a small propeller plane, navigating through dense clouds and sudden rainstorms. After hours of flying over an endless sea of green, the team finally landed on a makeshift runway carved out of the jungle. Waiting for them was their guide, Mateo, a local explorer familiar with the region's dangers and secrets. As they ventured deeper into the wilderness, the air thickened with humidity, and the cacophony of the jungle enveloped them. Dr. Reyes and her team were in search of a fabled lost city, rumored to be hidden within the labyrinthine depths of the Amazon. According to local legends, this city was once home to an advanced civilization that mysteriously vanished centuries ago. Their progress was slow and fraught with obstacles, treacherous swamps, venomous creatures, and unyielding vegetation that seemed intent on reclaiming the land. Yet, the team pressed on, driven by the prospect of unearthing relics that could rewrite history. Days turned into weeks as they trudged deeper into uncharted territory. One morning, Mateo excitedly led them to a clearing where massive stone structures loomed in the mist, the first signs of the lost city. The team's excitement was palpable as they began to explore the ruins, meticulously documenting every artifact and inscription they encountered. Among the ruins, they discovered ornate carvings depicting scenes of daily life, ceremonies, trade, and a thriving society now lost to time. Dr. Reyes theorized that this civilization had developed advanced techniques in agriculture and architecture, evident in the intricate irrigation systems and grand plazas that dotted the landscape. However, their discoveries were not without danger. One evening, as the team camped near the ruins, they were startled by the distant roar of a jaguar. Mateo quickly lit torches to ward off the curious predator, emphasizing the ever-present risk of encountering wildlife. As they delved deeper, the team stumbled upon a hidden chamber deep within the largest pyramid. Inside, they found a trove of artifacts, golden jewelry, ceremonial masks, and intricately carved statues. Dr. Reyes marveled at the craftsmanship, realizing they had stumbled upon the burial site of a prominent ruler. Among the artifacts was a codex, an ancient manuscript detailing the city's history and customs. With the help of a local linguist accompanying the team, they began to decipher the codex, unlocking the secrets of this enigmatic civilization. Through the codex, they learned of a cataclysmic event, a devastating flood that had swept through the city, leading to its eventual demise. The survivors dispersed into the jungle, their once great city reclaimed by nature. Their discoveries garnered international attention, attracting scholars and historians eager to study the newfound treasures. Dr. Reyes and her team worked tirelessly to preserve and document the artifacts, piecing together the story of a lost civilization that had remained hidden for centuries. However, their success was bittersweet. As the expedition drew to a close, Dr. Reyes reflected on the fragility of history and the importance of preserving these remnants of the past. The jungle would eventually reclaim its secrets, but the echoes of this lost civilization would continue to resonate through the ages. The journey back was filled with a sense of accomplishment and reverence for the ancient city they had uncovered. Dr. Reyes knew that their findings would rewrite the history books, shedding light on a civilization long forgotten. As the team boarded their plane, ready to return to civilization, Dr. Reyes looked out over the vast expanse of green below. The Amazon held countless more mysteries, waiting to be discovered by those brave enough to venture into its depths. The story of their expedition would soon be shared with the world, a testament to the enduring allure of exploration and the timeless quest for knowledge hidden in the heart of the Amazon rainforest.